Hello, welcome to this tutorial on iPhone forensics. Today we're going to be looking at the keychain password or keychain database that's stored on your iPhone. This database includes all of your username and passwords used to connect to your email accounts, to remote logins, to remote access, your most frequently used applications that require a password authentication. Those are all saved in here. These also include wireless connections, Wi-Fi, hotspots, username and wireless passwords. Any password that's needed to connect to either the internet or a network are stored in this database. So it's crucial, it's very important, but it is also a backdoor to the security problem on your iPhone. It's encrypted, but nonetheless, a hacker can get a hold of this folder or database and try to brute force attack it, or dictionary attack, or a mutated form of attack, and try to decrypt the key. And once they have the key, they could have access to your bank accounts, to your email accounts, to your personal information. So it's a two-way weapon, and we're gonna try to analyze that and make something out of it. The first step into doing this forensic analysis is to download the SQLite database browser, and it's found at sourceforge.net project slash SQLite browser. SourceForge is your place to go to download most of these project or developmental projects on forensics. You download the SQLite browser, you download and unzip, and it's going to unzip a folder. No installation is necessary. It's just going to run from the folder, and it's going to use some of the executable files within that folder. Um, we're going to download it. Once we download the folder, it's going to be on our desktop, and this is what you're going to be seeing, these application extensions in the SQLite database browser. We can open it, and we can see that it has a database structure, a browse data, and execute SQL for string queries. Once we open a file, we can see the schemas of the tables, the names of the rows, and all the type of information that make up that table or that database. We can browse the data in different types of tables, and we're going to be doing that in 1 second. So SQLite browser is downloaded, it's unzipped and installed on our desktop. We're going to close that, and we're going to open our iPhone backup extractor, and we're going to look for our backup that we did from our, let's try Jack's phone. We're going to go to expert mode, and then we're going to go to applications, and then keychain, and we're going to extract. Select it on the desktop. It says one file restored from backup successfully. We're going to press OK. We're going to minimize everything, and we're going to look for keychain, which is right here. Keychain, if we go to properties, is a database file .db. It opens with unknown application. It's not going to open if we just double click it. That's why we downloaded SQLite browser. We're going to open our folder, and we can drag our keychain to that SQLite browser, and it opens up in the SQLite browser GUI. We can see the name of the tables, the SQLite sequence, the GEMP, the INET, cert keys, and T version. So we see the name, the object, the type, and the schema. And the most important part about it is that we can browse the data in the different types of tables. The GMP gives us the label, which is pixel me space doc. It's going to give us our accounts, and this account happens to be virus spreading is the Wi-Fi of a friend's house, and the password for that Wi-Fi is hashed out or logged out. This is the encrypted version of the wireless password, but if we can get a hacker to attack, we can get the key out of this. Infinitum7264 is the airport servers, which is the Mac version for Wi-Fi, and it has the password here also. ST2010 is the student Pan Am Wi-Fi. It's used by Mac or by the Apple, and this is the password to it. And we can see that Infinitum 64B5 is my wireless account for the pharmacy that I work at. Has a password, and the D hash is an online game studio, and the password's also hashed. This is very important in determining what kind of usage the iPhone has, where it has been, what places it has been connected to, and it can track the iPhone use to tell if the iPhone is being used in the proper manner. We can use the SQLite Lite version, the iNet, and we can see the account, the SDMM, and also the data and the HRP. We can do the cert and the keys version and T version. So all you need to do is extract the keychain from your backup with the SQLite, with the backup extractor. Extract the keychain and drag the keychain in the SQLite database browser, and that's it. This is how you can sometimes figure out some passwords, usernames, and accounts. Thank you for watching, and wait for another video.